How to add audio to our Wix website. I'm inside the Wix website editor here, and if I want to add audio, I will just click on the search bar right here at the top right corner, and we want to search for audio players like so, and you will see themed audio players. Now if we click on it, then it's going to take us to this section, and you can see single video or audio players. So you have the different types of players right here which we can use. So for example, I'm going to do this first one. If I want to add it, I will simply drag and drop it right here, and we will see the option for settings and to change track. If we choose change track, then we can add an image here for the audio player, or we can do one track. We can upload the track itself, or we can do external URL, which basically means we can paste the link here. So for example, YouTube link, and you can set the track name and the track artist, the artist of the track itself. You can type out here, and after you have done this, then this will change the audio player here, and people can play this audio when they enter your Wix website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.